Hello, in this tutorial I want to introduce you to a standard library a little. First started with the string. I've already talked the C style string, so a char array and put a character in it, and the end of the character literal we put a \n, so a null byte character. Now I talk a much more efficient and much better way to store characters. This is the string class in C++. Okay, you need a new header file for that. Include string. Oh, bad place. So include string, and this stores actually the string class. So let's see. First have to declare a string. You declare a string very similarly to a normal variable, actually almost like that. Okay, string str, and this is the normal declaration, so with an empty constructor. Okay, I don't speak constructor, it will come when I talk classes, but you don't have to really understand that, just to have to use it. So you have to understand just how to use it, but not what is behind the string class. Okay, this makes an empty string. If you say something to the constructor like hello world, this will give a string with hello world, so it initializes the string. So write out the str and make a new line after it. Okay, and compile our program. So g++ first.cpp and start the program, and as you can see it's write out hello world. If I don't add constructor, watch carefully, because if you put this, it will mean that you want to make a function inside the main function which will give an error. So no parentheses if you don't give nothing to the constructor. Okay, compile it, run it. As you can see, it's nothing in it, so not saved as in the C style string. You don't have to manually delete everything in the array if you don't want to write out some random character, so you don't have to initialize it. Okay, so write out something here, the constructor hello, like that. Okay, and there is a lot of member function and overloaded operator for string class, which is very useful. So for example, str plus equal and world, like that. Okay, this operator, the plus equal operator, is actually mean that string make string equal to string plus word. Okay, usually it means, for example, int I equal 1 and I plus equal 2, it will be free, because it is the same like we say I make I equal, oh, I want to comment it out, I make it I to I plus 2, so 1 plus 2. So it is similar, although in this case it is overloaded, so it is concatenate the strings. It is similar than strcat for the normal C style string. Okay, if we just delete this, we don't need that. If we write out the str now and done and compile our program, we will see that hello world, so it concatenates the strings. Okay then, let's see what else we have. A string, very useful, so it has several advantages, like it is dynamically allocates the memory. It means if you write out more, it will grow, but if you don't write out nothing, what if you don't write anything, it will doesn't, the size is small, and if you write something in it, the size starts to grow. In the other tutorial we made a char array like 255th character, and if we write out something like for example with 5 characters, then we wasted 250 bytes of memory. The other could happen, so if you make just a 10 character string, so it means you can write just 9 characters in it, because there is a null byte character and in the end of it. So if we write out and we ask the user to write out something, but the user will give you very long string, then this will be probably a segmentation error. We run out the bounds of the array. Okay, but in case of str, you can store actually from one string to billions of characters, one character to billion of characters. The maximal size of the string you can see with n posts. So string dot n post. Oh, by the way, the string is inside namespace std, so if there is no line such here, we could write std colon string colon n post, and we have to write std colon string like that, but it will help out now too. Okay, end line. If we compile the program now, as you can see, this is the maximal length you can store, so it is 4 billion characters, more than 4 billion characters you can store in a string value. This is more than that you ever want to store in a string, in the single string variable, so that is not a problem. Okay, you can write out the string length, so str size, oh, not that way, this is a member function, not a namespace, right? So save it and run it. Oh, a semicolon. Now, oh, I forgot to save. Okay, now, and run it, and as you can see, it write out the length of this, so hello world. It is 11 character long. Okay, there is another function which actually a synonym length. Actually it works exactly the same, but there is two. So you have this decision which one do you want to use. Okay, there are the assignment operators, so str make it equal to, I don't know, 42 is the answer to, everything, it will delete the hello world string and make the str to that string. So it will write out the str now and actually write out the size of it, just why not. Okay, that's right. Make a space between them. Right, so if we now compile the program and run it, as you can see, it is so it is assigned this long string instead of hello world and write it out the size of it. Okay, and let's see, you can similarly to C style string, you can write out each characters with the overloaded operator, so the square bracket. Alright, write out the first character, for example, so str0, remember it starts from 0, and write out the str, I don't know, 5. Okay, and make a new line. Oh, by the way, I want to show you the str at member function, which do the same but check the range. So we don't want to get a character which is out of the string length. So for example, 5 character long string, we don't want to get the 7th character. So it will check it and throw an error, although we don't talk the error handling, so exception handling, but you can, as a simple function, you can put what character do you want, like that, and this will throw an error if we are out of range. Okay, if we save the program, we can run it, and as you can see, I get the 4 because 42, and I get a space and an E character somewhere. I will not find where is it. So you can get characters like that. You can clear the string with the clear member function. This is simple, just throw everything in it and make an empty string. Okay, what is it? Oh, by the way, the str append, so append is a synonym, so it is a function, not an overloaded operator, but you can use it similarly. Okay, we have pushback function, which push a character to the end of the string. I will not show you because it's pretty simple. We have an insert function which insert a string to somewhere, so str insert, and we make it where to put it, so put it after the 0, 1, 2, so 2, and make it I don't know, 32 again, like that, and write out the str. Okay, as you can see, it gave what we expected, so it just insert a string. Okay, there is an erase function which will erase a part of the string. So for example, we will want to erase this 32